Dive into the heart of the South Pacific and discover the enchanting archipelago of Samoa. With its natural splendor, cultural richness, and the warmest of welcomes, planning a multi-city island adventure here is both thrilling and intricate. Let's navigate the essentials for a journey that's as smooth as the Samoan ocean breeze. Samoa's allure lies in its diversity. Upolu buzzes with life, offering vibrant markets and historical gems like the Robert Louis Stevenson Museum. Contrastingly, Savai'i whispers tales of volcanic majesty and tranquil rainforests. When selecting islands, consider the attractions that call to you, the ease of travel between them, and the time you have to savor each unique experience. Crafting your itinerary is like painting on a canvas of time and beauty. Prioritize the unmissable. The Tusua Ocean Trenches allure or the serene Afu'au waterfall. Balance your days with exploration and moments of repose, and always leave space for serendipity. Samoa's spontaneous adventures are often its most memorable. Samoa's skies and seas offer paths to each new discovery. Choose the swift embrace of Samoa Airways for a bird's-eye view of the islands, or sail the seas with ferry services that connect the dots of your adventure. For those who seek freedom, rental vehicles await to take you down the road less traveled. Your retreat after a day of adventure is key. Resorts and hotels offer a touch of luxury, while eco-lodges and beach fails invite you to live in harmony with nature. For a heartwarming slice of local life, homestays open doors to the true spirit of Samoa. Pack for the tropics with lightweight attire and essentials like insect repellent and high SPF sunscreen. Bring water shoes and snorkeling gear to commune with the marine life, and a first aid kit for peace of mind. Charge your memories and devices alike with a travel adapter and power bank. Embarking on a multi-city island adventure in Samoa is to step into a world of wonder. With thoughtful planning, from island selection to packing your bag, you're set for an experience that will etch itself into your heart. Samoa awaits, ready to unfold its stories and embrace you in its beauty. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable journey?